Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if your fingerprint sensor is not working on your LG G6. The first thing you want to make sure of is that you have the fingerprint sensor turned on. You can check it in Settings, General, here Fingerprints and Security, then Fingerprints, and just make sure it's turned on. You'll have to first, of course, set up some other form of unlocking as a backup, and then it'll ask you to place your finger on the power button. Just do so at different angles. Then, whenever you press your finger on it, it should highlight the one that it detects. Now, if this does not work, you can of course always just delete your fingerprint and add a new one. Added a new. But if this all does not work in the first place, you can check if it works in Settings. Here in General, go into Smart Doctor, then Test Hardware, and tap on Fingerprint Sensor to start the test of the fingerprint sensor. If it says it's all good, that means that there could simply be something covering your fingerprint sensor. So you want to just make sure that it's clean and that your fingers aren't dirty or anything like this. Just to make sure that the fingerprint sensor can actually detect your fingerprints. Another thing you can do is simply try restarting your phone. To do so, press and hold the power button and simply choose power off and restart. Or you can also try to go into safe mode. Also enter this menu by pressing and holding the power button, then press and hold the power off option and tap turn on when this prompt shows up. This will reboot your phone just the same as restarting, just instead of getting into this normal mode, it will be in safe mode. Then to exit safe mode, you can do the same thing with restarting. But if the fingerprint sensor does not work after all of that, or the smart doctor showed the sensor having an error, that means you might have to take your phone to a service station to have it looked at. The last thing you could try on your own, of course, would be in Settings. In General, go into About Phone, then Update Center, then Software Update, and check now for update. But the update servers have been taken down a few years ago because the last update has been given in 2020. So there will most likely not be any new updates. And if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.